Hello everyone, my name is Amaluna and my topic for today will be on agriculture and deforestation. What inspired me to pick this topic would be throughout our lessons it seems as if though this issue was brought up a couple of times and I want to do further research to bring issues such as these to light. We'll start with what is deforestation and how does it affect agriculture. There are a couple definitions of deforestation, but the most common one is that it is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forests, such as land or buildings of sorts. Four commodities are responsible for tropical deforestation, such as beef, soil, palm oil, and wood products. Some advantages for deforestation would be it makes room for more growth, such as farms for agriculture, crops, and things of that sort. They make use of the material, such as the lumber from the trees, so they sell it to companies, some lumber companies, for wood, and, like for houses and sort of that types of stuff. They revenue source for governments to help stimulate the economy. That meaning that they build homes and buildings such as that to be able to grow more. Some disadvantages of deforestation would be that it releases carbon dioxide increase. So cutting all the plants is having a very negative impact on our environment. So any chemicals, that gases and such sort is very bad, having a bad impact on the environment. Another one is wildlife. These forests are home to countless amount of wildlife, and many other animals are losing their homes very rapidly. This one hits very home to my heart because I do care for animals, and to see that just to take down these forests and have them lose their ecosystems and habitats, just to be able to grow more food or build more homes or things such as that sort, is very saddening. They should be able to stay in their own habitats because that's where they feel more safe, and hopefully that they won't go extinct as well. Another one is flooding. Now, without all the plant life, there's nothing to help regulate the excess water from rain, and the soil will become oversaturating. In other words, meaning that the soil just becomes too muddy and that it doesn't stay consistent to be able to grow plants and anything as like that. So that is one big problem as well. They believe that we will lose rainforests in as little as 100 years along with species of plants and animals that are native to it. That is a very big concern, very big problem nowadays with these forests being taken down. The ethical type I chose for this topic would be egoism, which means that it's a good action in what's best for their own individual interests. The ones who take down forests believe that it's in the best interest for us. Yes, we do need more food to be able to feed the planet. However, I'm sure there are many different ways of growing crops and finding ways to be able to make food and be able to get away from taking down forests and things such as that, which are very, very important to us, even though some companies don't think they are, but they actually are. Okay, now my opinion on this whole deforestation for agriculture. The whole idea on taking or knocking down forests piece by piece is not the ideal plan. Some of these pieces of land, such as, for example, the Amazon, are very essential to our living because they provide oxygen. They carry the most species in the world that we have as of today. I just feel like it's very selfish for companies to clean out land just to be able to either raise more crops, which I understand, but like I said before, as I mentioned before, there should be other ways, and there can become other ways and other solutions to be able to grow more food, but I feel like it's just selfish of them that they want to take down these precious forests just for their own being, such as making money or anything of that sort. Like, for example, I just feel like it's very selfish to clear out land just to raise more crops when they're putting those ecosystems in danger, and ourselves as well, since we rely on plants for oxygen, like I said, like I mentioned before. I feel like we should be taking different measures and ways of growing crops and not having to worry about where to put the animals like I said before, they're very important to us, and there are more species in the Amazon, for example, than we know of as of today, and there's a continue of growth as well. And I feel like just harming that ecosystem and their habitats is something that is very downgrading, and it's not okay. And I just hope that with that being said, that this teaches you more on how deforestation is not the way to go, and to figure out different ways for agriculture, um, to grow crops and things such as that, for either for food or for things such as palm oil or wood products, that we're able to continue to grow and not worry about anything becoming extinct or anything being taken down in that sort. Thank you. Bye.